So the framework provides an outline and a methodology for countries to develop their own approaches to improving their workforce planning systems. One of the key milestones is the Sustainability Action Plan, and all of the member states involved in the action have been working incredibly hard over the last months to develop their own action plans. And we see a huge range of actions being included which are appropriate for their context. We see countries looking to establish networks that extend beyond the ministry to include a broad range of stakeholders in their planning activities. We see them looking to repeat the training programs that they've delivered as part of the joint action. And we see some countries seeking to establish and institutionalize planning units, a critical component of the planning system, and some even considering legislation. And all of this speaks to a legacy for the joint action which will extend far beyond the life of the project.
What do you think are the main barriers that might set back sustainability efforts in HEROES?
In the HEROES joint action, we have an incredibly dedicated cadre of country teams who are broadly technical. And these are people who understand workforce planning. This is their bread and butter, their day-to-day activities. One of the key challenges they face is engaging policymakers and raising the importance of the issue to both the policy and the political level to generate consensus on the need for change, not just for their health system, not just for their planning system, but for workforce planning as an activity, the importance of that. And I think some of the most impressive examples we've seen are countries where they've gone from undertaking very little planning before the project to beginning to institutionalize this ongoing cycle of medical projections, nursing projections, and the development of actions to remedy any labour market imbalances they see.
Do you think that sustainability initiatives plans can work more likely at regional or at national level?
The regional, the national question is an interesting one, and I think fundamentally it's not either or, it has to be and that's the value of the joint action. For countries to see other systems, to see their peers around the region, around the continent, role modelling the type of activity they want to do, delivering their own improvement programmes, providing advice and technical input on the solutions that have worked or failed in their own contexts, has been really powerful, and all of that feeds into well-constructed, deliverable and effective sustainability plans at the local level, which again feeds that regional dynamic. And I think that's been one of the really positive things to come out of HEROES, is the virtuous cycle between local work and work at a regional level.